Here now with Kurt Johannes. He is the Director of Industrial Distribution for Norton Abrasives. Kurt, how you doing?
I'm doing fantastic today.
Very good. And what are you guys showcasing here at GAWDA SMC?
Today we're showcasing two new items. One is right back here, a new aluminum wheel. We have it in a raised hub wheel as well as a cutoff blade. The aluminum is becoming more and more prominent in the marketplace now. And then we also have a new product here, and it's new for us in the industry. It's our Rapid Prep Vortex flap disc. So it's a non-woven material that we've done into a more like a sandpaper flap disc. So that's a new product for us as well.
All right, very good. And you know, one of the things that I was always wondering about Norton, you guys have been around a long time. Is there anything that you would say that somebody here at GAWDA might not know about Norton?
Yeah, Norton, we're 135 years old under the Norton brand name. St. Gobain, who owns us, is 351 years.
Wow.
So that's, it's hard to make money for 351 years. But the other thing they probably don't know is Norton Company actually started out as a pottery company, not a grinding wheel manufacturer.
Wow, yeah, I did not know that. That's pretty good. How about talk about any you know, distributor trainings that you guys offer, or anything that a distributor should absolutely know about Norton?
Norton Company puts on training back at our plants, as well as bringing the training to you. So if you can't get your folks back to our plant to go through a big formal training, we'll actually send out grinding booths. We'll have our people come out, and we'll do it at your facility.
All right, very good. You said before about, you know, you guys are the complete solution provider across the board for anything that a distributor might need in your category. Expand on that a little bit more and talk about the value that you guys bring as a company, not just with the products, but also with any other valuable things that you offer.
Yeah, in terms of an abrasive supplier, if it's an abrasive product, we make it. So we've got all your grinding wheels, your sandpaper, your non-wovens, we have polishing compounds. So having all of those product categories and having a good, better, best in each one of those, there's really no reason to have any other type of abrasive supplier there. So if you can reduce your number of suppliers, that makes you more cost effective.
All right, very good. Well, I thank you for your time, Kurt. It's always good to see you guys. We thank you so much for your support over the years. You guys have been great for us. And if there's ever anything that we can help you out with, please let us know.
Thanks, Tim. Go GAWDA.
All right.